Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to convert any coin in USDT in MEXC Global Exchange. For that, you just have to open your MEXC Global mobile application and then you just have to log in into your account. Now, once you've successfully logged in, you are going to see this search bar in the top. So you just have to click on this search bar, and in the search bar, you just have to select any of the coins. And in the search bar, you are going to see the option of top searches, where you are going to see a bunch of different coins and their pair in USDT. So whichever coin that you want to convert into USDT, you need to make sure that you have selected its USDT pair. For example, you want to convert your BTC into USDT, so you will have to tap on the BTC/USDT pair, and then you will be redirect on this page. Now over here, you need to make sure that you are using the spot trading. So you will have to click on the BTC option in the top, and after that you will have to select BTC/USDT pair in the spot. Then you will have to click on the buy button in the bottom if you want to use your USDT in order to purchase any other coin. Then it will convert your USDT in any other coin. As you can see in this example, we have selected BTC, so basically it will convert your USDT into BTC. But let's say you want to convert any other coin into your USDT, so you will have to select the sell option instead of buy, and then you just have to sell your tokens that you have, and in return you are going to get USDT in your account. So this is how you can easily convert any coin in USDT in MEXC. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.